on your body like there's no one at the party, just me and you. And these empty cups. If you wanna like I wanna, let me take you to another room. So it's only us tonight. Television up so nobody can listen. Hands on your body like there's no one at the party, just me and you. And these empty cups.
Hey guys, it's Patrick, and it seems like forever since I've done an intro like this on my channel. But today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY Starbucks pumpkin caramel macchiato. I don't even think Starbucks sells this, but it's really good DIY to make, and it's perfect for the fall. So let's just get right on to the video. So this drink actually only has 3 ingredients in it, and then the first ingredient is going to be this caramel syrup. Now you can make this on your own, or you could just buy it at the store like I did. Your next ingredient is going to be the pumpkin spice creamer, and usually you can find it pretty much anywhere this time of year, and this is what's going to give the drink all the flavor. And then the last ingredient is just this espresso. I actually got espresso ground coffee so I can make it in my coffee maker. And since I don't have an espresso machine, this actually worked out perfectly for me. So the first step is just drizzling your Starbucks cup with the caramel sauce, and this is what's going to make it really look good, so please don't skip this step. And then next you're going to fill the cup with ice. Now please ignore my first attempt. I actually got better at it, and we got it on the second try. And you want to fill it all the way to the top just so that the espresso and the milk can separate. And so I actually did this backwards. I poured the brewed espresso in first, and then the milk on top of that, and you're really supposed to do it reverse. But I actually kind of like the swirled look that it gave it, and it kind of just gave me an excuse not to refilm this, so we're going to go with this option. So then you just pour the creamer on top of that, and then put the lid in this jar on, and you are good to go. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment below what other Starbucks drinks you want me to make in the future, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.